Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I'm so excited. I have been watching tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of mini brands, mini brand creates, mini brand home, mini brand fashion, mini brand toys on YouTube and TikTok for ages now. And I have done some videos with Zero mini brands. You'll see them in my channel, or you'll see them on my channel. But I wanted to open this one, the home. The home has me so intrigued. I see so much stuff and I am obsessed with a couple of the items, especially the items in the boxes. So I purchased one to start off with. I did purchase more there on their travels to me, but I did purchase one that I wanted to do. I have done a couple of shorts, not many shorts on the Disney brand home, but I wanted to purchase one that I could open fully here. I never get luck on these tear strips. Okay, that was lucky enough, I think. But the mini brand homes are so cute. You can get, like it says, create your own mini home. And you can actually get some that have like items inside boxes, but they're not empty boxes the way they used to be in the Disney toys or the mini brands toys. You guys must be my luck today. I've never opened a mini brands toy ball like this and been able to tear the strip off like that. So that's amazing. And guys, these are recycled plastic. So I will recycle all of this packaging as well. I'm going to just pop it off to the side or right over here. So inside the ball, you get 5 surprises. I love 5 surprises. I don't think I've got, I don't know what I've got. But let me show you guys what I'm super excited to get. So any of the legendary, any of them, any. This one in particular, I would love because it's a frozen moment. But any, I would love any. I'll show you guys what I've got so far. Oh, so I want this. This little lip sofa is what I'm most excited for, so I want that. I also really want, this little chair and this chair and this footstool. I want those. But let me show you what I got so far. Oh, I want the rug. I want the Hoover or the vac. I want the little makeup vanity, and I want the makeup stool. I want those. Everything else is kind of like, well, okay. And let's see what else we got. Okay, so I got one of the ultra rare. I got the casserole pot with a lid. It was not very exciting at all. I got this chair. It is a shell armchair. I was so excited. I want this work chair, and I want this work dining table, and I want this beanie bag sofa. I think I want it all. I want the mirror. I got none of these. Let's see what else we've got. I think I want everything, to be honest. I definitely do. I want the eggs. I want the eggs. I got the food scale already. I have the wall art, which is adorable. I want this shelf because it looks like an IKEA shelf. So I so want that as well. What else did I get? I don't know what else I got. But those are the ones I'm super excited for. So we're going to start. I'm going to pick the smaller ones first and then go to the bigger ones. So inside here we have our first surprise. What did we get? Oh, we got the little Tupperware. Does it open? Are you kidding me? This is like a bento box for your lunch. So you've got your little compartments inside for your sandwiches, for some snacks, for some maybe sauce. But how cute is this? This, it says on it, I can't even read that. It's so small. But this is super duper cute. So that's our first item. We, again, will recycle all of that paper. What did we get in here? Oh my gosh, I am in love. Love. Okay, we got the other little Tupperware box in the purple. This is cute. This is just a little box, but I'm going to check what they are. If we've got something rare. I do notice that a lot of things in here, there's very little common, and there seems to be more rare, ultra rare. Let's have a look at the book. That did not help me one iota. You know what? This is actually easier. Okay, so here we got a common. It is the food container. And we also got, okay, we got a rare, which is the bento lunch. So this is the little bento lunch, and this is the little food container. So this is common. This is rare. We're going to take the next smallest one and open our little, this one feels a bit weird. Oh my God, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We got a little kitchen stool, which is adorable. How cute is this little kitchen stool? Now, guys, these are just plastic, right? But if you have a little doll's house or just like collecting minis, these are pretty good. So let's see what we got on this one. Let's flip it to the other side. Oh, okay, so we got a common, and it's just the stool, which I don't care that it's common. I love it. This one seems a little bigger, a little bit. I don't even know if we're going to be able to do this. Oh, we got instructions. I think we got, did we get a high chair? What is this? I think, oh, this is a just a high stool. So let's see. We got instructions with this one. So it says we put this in the back, like, do we put it in the back like this? I think this is, I think it goes, yeah, it goes like this. So we click it here, and push it in. All right, hello, go in. No, oh my gosh, I'm not getting this to stay in solidly. Oh, maybe I need to put maybe not. Have I got it on right? I heard a click on this side, and it's not getting a click on this side. Oh, I don't think I've pushed it in enough. And then we have our little seat that goes on top. What are you doing to me? Okay, so this is not, I'm going to have to fix this a little bit later. But we have our little yellow high chair, which is delightful. I think this was a common, a bar chair. Excuse me, not a high chair, a bar chair. Excuse me. This is a big one. But it doesn't feel like it's a box. And it comes in pieces as well. But let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. I got the one I wanted. I got the vanity. I am so excited. Oh my God. I feel like I've just got my Christmas present. That's crazy. So this seems easy enough to do. We just pop our little mirror right in here. See this? Seamless. And then we have our drawers here. Pop our drawer in. I love the fact that these little drawers can come out if you have small enough nails to pull them out. I don't. But, oh my gosh, we got it. This is adorable, and it has a mirror right here. I'm not going to take the paper off because I don't want to. I want to keep it nice and fresh, but how adorable is that? Oh my God, we got another one of the ones I absolutely wanted. But let's see let's see from the guide. This is an ultra rare. It is so stinking cute. I just need the makeup stool to go with it, and I would love if the makeup stool was small enough to just slide here so you have your full vanity. Oh, I hope so. I genuinely hope so. Guys, I'm still on the hunt for the legendary lip sofa. It's what I want. I thought there was a coffee machine in this one. And I think I was interested in a coffee machine. This one, the espresso machine. So I'm really excited for that. I think that I'd certainly want the lip. Certainly want the lip sofa, but I'm ecstatic with what I've got. I've got two little snack boxes. I've got the bar stool. I've got the normal kitchen stool, and I got one of the ones that I wanted. So I am so excited. Guys, let me know if you have tried these mini brand homes. I find them so much fun. They're not just for kids. I really find them so much fun. I don't know what I ever do with the bits when I have them, but I am so excited to get them. You guys, so let me know what's your experience of mini brands homes, or if you've even tried them, you think they're worth the money. They are quite expensive. They are quite expensive, but I find them so much fun. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you have an amazing day. I would kindly ask that you like, share, subscribe this video, and subscribe to my channel also. And take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.